Hey, good morning everybody. I'm Kolawole Sheluwo from AS Solar, and I'm here to show you how our solar DC fridge works. Like there's no film trick, there's no gimmicks, it's real. So in case you've been experiencing spoilage, you have a business like a cold room, or you have a business where you supply cold drinks and you're tired of the epileptic power supply, then you can switch to this. Okay, alright, so these are the solar panels. Okay, so you can see the solar panel. You can see the specification: 50 watts, 100, and over here 150 watts. These are the other specifications. There's the connection. Okay, this is the wire. This is the wire. The wire comes to the battery. So this is our battery. This is our charge controller. You can see the connection to this, and this one is now fed into the solar DC fridge. You can see it running, you can hear the sound, you can see the whole light and everything is working perfectly. Okay, so this is our logo AS Solar fridge. Okay, so let's open the fridge. Okay, all right, so you can see that it's cold already. Can you see? It's ice. Show you ice. The ice. It's ice. The drinks are getting cold. There's more ice over here. Drinks are getting cold. They come in various liters. I think this 158 liters, and the capacity is just 85 watts, which means it's consuming 85 wattage of DC current. They're very effective and highly efficient. So I would advise you to get this and end spoilage in your house and improve your profit margin. Thank you. They also come in various capacities and liters.